Hey Nomads, it's Tanya. So today we're driving just northeast of Baltimore to a special location, to something I've never done before, but I've always wanted to try. And given this era of COVID-19, I think it's going to be the perfect thing. So we're making one stop before we get to our final destination, and it's at Domino's to pick up a delivery to take with us to our next destination. Okay, the pie and the wings are in the trunk and we're on our way. So there's 3 lines of cars here to get in, and it's a lot more cars than I thought there'd be. They said on the website that they're operating at half capacity because of COVID-19. So for some reason I thought there'd be like 10, 20 cars, but I think there's at least 10, 20 cars waiting to get in. The spots are first come, first served, so I hope we get a good spot. Welcome to the drive-in movie theater. We're here for a double feature starting with Jaws, and then we're going to see Jurassic Park. We just got a parking spot. I don't know if it's that great necessarily, but it's pretty full, so I feel like we need to grab what we can when we can. So we got here about 30 minutes after the box office opened, but an hour before the movie starts, and it was already very full. We had a really difficult time because they need us to turn our day headlights off, which is not easy to do. It required pulling up the emergency brake a click and turning the car on and off, and then driving with the emergency brake 1 click up, which the car did not like at all. And we brought food with us. We were ready to pay for the food permit, which is $15, but they're cash only, and I only had $11, and she's like about to kick us out after we waited in line for like 10 minutes. Luckily Ahmed had some money stashed in the car, so we were able to get our food permit, but man, they are strict here. And they said not to film or take photographs, so I'm doing this all hoping I don't get in trouble. So we're headed home. We left halfway through the second movie, Jurassic Park. I love that movie, but I've seen it 100 times. It's already 1 in the morning. It's gonna take us an hour to get back home, so we shouldn't stay too much longer, although I love Jurassic Park and it was a really big screen. I'd never seen Jaws in its entirety, so that was really cool on that big screen. We had a pretty decent spot. The cars were a lot closer together than I expected. I thought there'd be a lot less people, but there was still more than 6 feet of space between us and the people next to us. We ended up buying food at the concession stands and paying to bring our outside food, so next time I recommend bringing a lot more drinks with you, because we ended up paying for more drinks even though I brought 3 waters, a juice, and a Coke. I highly recommend going to a drive-in theater. You know, as long as there's a lot of space between you and the people next to you, it's a pretty comfortable experience. I plan to have more pandemic-friendly experiences, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye!